Ladies Chica, alam mong siya na pag hindi ka na naghahanap ng iba, iyan ang naging saad ni Donnie Pailina matapos nilang mapag-usapan ng kaibigan patungkol sa relasyon niya sa kanyang leading lady. Sabi niya, they asked me in an interview, paano mo nalaman na siya na? Si Bel na? There's a lot of more aspects about being ready to get married, but the question was, paano mo nalaman na siya na talaga? And I think I answered because I forgot saad ni Donnie. But I got asked this question again 2 days ago when our friends from Manila came here, and then yung sinagot ko, which I think is more accurate and a lot of simpler to digest, is alam mong siya na pag hindi ka na naghahanap ng iba. Wika ni Donnie. Oh, sana naman saad naman ni Kyle. Yung, 'di ba, parang or you're not even open to the idea of other people. That's kind of like, that's point number 1. Pagpapatuloy pa ni Donnie.